Hi, my name is Frank McEnulty, and I'm a full-time lecturer here at Cal State Long Beach. I've also been an entrepreneur for the last 20-30 years, and I thoroughly enjoy it. Some of the major mistakes I've seen entrepreneurs make, or I should say some of the major mistakes I've made along with my partners doing entrepreneurial things. Quite honestly, the first one is investing in ideas rather than people. Because I've seen great ideas get ruined by bad groups of people. I've seen not great ideas be successful because of great groups of people. And it really always comes down to the people. Doesn't matter how good the idea is, if you don't have a good management team, it's not going to work in the long run. So that's the most important thing. That's the biggest mistake I think people make. Overestimating how quickly you're going to get sales. So conversely, underestimating how much money you're going to need to have until the company breaks even. I don't know, everybody tries to be conservative, but those are the two big problems. The management and not enough money. The most important thing that founders should remember when they go to launch their business. Well, first, the market's going to tell you if you have a good idea or not. Don't be absolutely positively in love with your idea, because it may need a tweak. You may take it to market and the customer sees it and go, this would be really great if it did this, or if it was slightly this way. If you hear that from several people, you need to think about it, because they're the people buying. No one's heard of this car probably that I'm talking to, but the Edsel by Ford was the most heavily researched car in the history of mankind. It was going to have everything that everybody wanted, and it was a dismal failure because it had everything that everybody wanted. It was like a Franken car. And so they didn't truly listen to their customer. They just threw everything in whatever they heard from people, rather than, if you're going to buy a car, what exactly do you want on this? And I think, so that's number one. Don't fall in love with your idea. Fall in love maybe with the idea of your idea, but understand that you don't know all the answers. The market's going to change it. I've been involved in a company that started way out here and ended up way over here. Now it's making money. Never made money all the way across. I think we went through 5 iterations of the company, but we kept listening to the customers and moving along. It's not going to happen as fast as you think it should. It's going to cost more than you think it should. My favorite saying is, if you have a good solution to a problem, you will be a great overnight success in 7 to 10 years. Because that's how long it takes to really build a market, to build a presence, to get out there. Entrepreneur, almost by definition, is an expert in what they do. So that means you have to get advice from other people on all the other things that you don't do. And the people that do that are usually the most successful. They realize they don't know everything. Even Elon Musk, he's lost $25 billion on buying Twitter. Well, maybe he should have gone to a seminar on the proper valuation of acquisitions. There's too much out there. So yes, I think that classes, seminars, get-togethers, very important to the entrepreneur, because there's so much going on that you can't keep track of anything, and those things really help to broaden your knowledge and support the growth of your business.